how to change the Asana password. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. I'm going to show you guys two methods. The very first one is if you can't even log in the first place and you want to simply change it. And the second one is when you simply just want to change it, but you still know the old one. So the first one is right here. So let's say you want to log in, then simply fill in your email address and then click on continue. And once here you can see forgot your password. So simply click on there and here you can fill in your email address again, send instructions, then you will get an email on your email. And then you simply have to click on the link and you can change your password. So that's super easy, right? Then the other one is very simple as well. Once you are logged in and you simply want to change your password, go to the top right and click on My Settings, click on Account. And then over here it says Password, change the password for your account. Click on there. And then here you have to fill in your current password, new password, and confirm the new password and hit save. And that is how you can change your old password if you still know it. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope this super easy and quick video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.